Hi my lovely ladies out there. I'm today going to tell you a very simple way how you can enhance your look just through using Artistry few simple products, because Artistry, if I tell about, is a brand which gives you a healing effect to the skin that you already have in its natural form. So let's start with that, guys. So first of all, I have cleansed my face with this Artistry gel cleanser. I have used the thing that I like about this gel cleanser is it's that it is all skin type, and it is gel based, and it has already got a toner into it, so my time is very much less consumed for those toner thing, as I don't have so much time to give on that. So it's awesome to use. Fine, I have used this to clean my face. As you see that it's all clean. Then further moving on, let's start with the very nice signature serum that I'm using of Artistry. It's a very personal thing, because it's a personalized signature serum that Artistry has launched, and you can make your own serum as per your skin requirement. But as I had freckles on my face, my skin is very sensitive and it is very dry, so the amplifiers that I have used is hydrating amplifier, spot corrector, and that I have used in the serum, and I have made my own personalized serum. So let's start with it. I'll take just 2 pumps of the serum. As you can see, I've taken this much, and then I will put all over my face. It gives a very nice effect and a base also for your makeup. If I say, you have to use it, and then we just apply it. Gives a very nice texture to your skin. See, you have to just massage it little bit, just for a minute on your face, so that it get absorbed, because it's a serum. And it's especially, see, it's already giving a nice glow on your face. Now you can see my skin also, it's feeling very nice. Fine. Then my skin is dry there, so I'm using this Artistry protecting moisturizer. It is Youth Extend Artistry protecting moisturizer. It moisturizes your face, and at the same time it gives a nice moisture effect and hydrates your skin very much. Fine, so I'm using a little bit of it. It is very rich and hydrating. It has got SPF also. I'm just using this bit, and I will just apply it all over my skin. You could see. One thing, guys, I would like to tell you is that whenever you use a skin product, never blend it on your palm. Always take a little bit on your fingertips and apply all over your face, and then you apply it on your skin. That will be more effective on your skin. Fine. So I am using it. I'm blending it in my skin. As you can see, I'm done with it. Fine. You can see the change, how hydrated my skin is looking, how nice it is looking. As you can see, I'll bring it a little bit more towards the light. As you can see my face now. Now comes our makeup part. So guys, I would like to suggest you, my all beautiful ladies out there, I would like to suggest you, please try Artistry this Exact Fit foundation, because it gives a very nice fine coverage all over. बहुत कम में you can get a full coverage on your face. At the same time, it gives a nice glow, and you just have to use. And one good thing about this is that it has SPF also, so sun protection is also. You can wear on your skin for 24 hours, and it gives you a nice look. Just this bit, and see the coverage it will give on your skin. I will just apply it. You don't need to apply too much. Fine. So you can just apply it on your face, guys. Fine. See the coverage it is giving. It is very soothing. It is very nice. will cover, it gives you a nice long coverage on your skin. I'm applying it. It is all for all the ladies who don't want to use brush or something. They get very much annoyed with that. You can use this. Always use that foundation or the skin product that you are using. Always use like full coverage should be given right from your neck portion to your ear loops and whole of your skin. Fine. Good thing about Artistry foundation is that it gives you a very natural look. It doesn't look like very cakey on your face. It spreads on your skin very evenly. Very nice look it gives. Fine. As you can see now. Fine, you can see my skin how glowy it is, and it is not looking very cakey. It is very smooth. Fine. So this is the foundation that I am using, that is of Artistry. Now I will tell you something very special about Artistry Exact Fit face powder I am talking about. This powder is so nice. Good thing is that it doesn't gives you a, see how it is. I will just take a little bit of it and we use it. All over the area. It fits exactly as per your skin tone. And if I'm talking about the foundation that I used, see how nicely it has blended with my skin. You can see, guys, how nicely it has blended with my skin. And it is not giving the cakey look if I talk about that. Fine. So now you can see how even my skin is, how nice it's looking. Fine. And then next we move forward towards the eye makeup. I would say that this is Attitude mascara that I'm using, and I love it because it is a multi-purpose mascara. I use it for my eyebrows also. Fine, I'm using it. See how nice look it gives. Just few things you need to take care is never use this mascara like this. Never use ever. Always swirl it inside and then use it, and it gives a very nice look to your eyelashes. It is all like tested by the eye doctor, so it is very safe to use on your skin, your beautiful eyebrows, eyelashes. See how nicely it is giving the coverage to the eyes. Fine, guys. Next, moving forward is just a simple, I would like to say, I'm using Attitude lipsticks. As it is a festive season, I would give it a little bit of, I must say, reddish look. Fine, that I would like to give my little bit of reddish tone to my skin. So I'm using this Attitude lipstick. As you can see, I have lots of shades, nice shades. As you can see, this is Brick Coral shade I'm using, and it is such a nice that it easily glides on your lips. No need to use lipstick pencil or something, and it gives a nice look. See, so this is the look, and next I will get very much ready and tell you how I look after this. See man, the look that I'm wearing, it's awesome. Just a second and you're ready. You're done. Bye, love you, take care.